30 years in business, 1993, I remember that Windows 3.1 was a big deal. I had a lot of curiosity about, first of all, why the company had been successful and served its customers so well. So I tried to learn a lot about those things, and I realized that efficiency and expertise was at the core. Early on, you're not sure that, some of these ideas are going to be accepted. By experimenting with that, you're able to grow and learn to see how other people do things. And once you start that communication, oftentimes some really good innovative thought comes from that. I'm most proud of the type of workplace culture that we've developed. We're influenced by people all over the world every day. And because we've been able to work with so many people in so many different markets, that's been a tremendous benefit to our company.